Hello and welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we'll be doing our product assembly of our CASA-JEWCAB-STD. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For our first step, we'll be needing one part B1, one part B2 and part D. Let's assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing 2 parts C, our board, as well as 8 parts G, our bolt. The product does come with an Allen key. You can, however, use power tools if you have access. Let's assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing 2 parts J. Let's install now. There's 2 holes on either side. We'll insert in the middle. For our next step, we'll be needing 1 part A and 2 parts H, the washer and the lock. Let's assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing 1 part E, 1 part F, and 1 part K. Let's assemble now. For our next step, we'll be inserting 3 AAA batteries for our light. For our last step, an optional step, we have anti-tipping parts. So you've got a self-tapping screw, fisher plug, and a washer. On the product is already a anti-tipping strap. So you'll insert that and mount to the wall. Please refer to our user manual on how to install. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching our product assembly of our CASA-JEWCAB-STD. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assemblies and products. Thank you.